Yep, that window's broken. All right, let's go in and check out our new house. Hold your breath. Oh, it's so nasty. It is so nasty and smells so bad in here. Yeah, those. If you're wondering, the carpet is very sticky. Very sticky, which is so gross. So, my wife and I just bought this place. And the plan is to turn it into a rental for us. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's a ranch home, and it needs a lot of work. Oh, that door's broken. Great. Awesome. Why is there a deadbolt? Like, why is there a deadbolt? Like, is this a safe room? Like, what, why, how come, why is that? Explain, I don't understand. So I would put myself inside the all right, let's try it. Okay, here we go. I know you can't see me. Let's see. Yep, I can totally. Oh yeah, I'm locked in. Okay, that's not good. Why? I don't understand that. Oh, look at all the blue tape. Nice. Oh, ceiling damage. Looks like there was some water damage, but that's old, and that'll get fixed up. Oh, love that fireplace. How gross is that? Perfect little cabinet in case you have a TV from the 90s and you need a really good spot for it. Right there. It's perfect. Big, heavy TV mounting place. Excellent. So yeah, it comes with a couple of appliances. Looks like we've got the most disgusting, what is this? The GE Profile. Yep, and it's disgusting and gross. Gotta love that dishwasher. That actually doesn't look bad. It's a Samsung. Nice. Oh yeah, that oven is ready to cook your dinner, buddy. I am scared to open this. Yes, no, don't bother wiping it. Just keep cooking. It's fantastic. That is delicious. Cabinet down. We're going to have to get that bad boy fixed. We've got linoleum flooring here. Little pantry. I'm terrified. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. Oh, a slice of cheese. That is nasty, man. Soy sauce? I'm gonna keep that for later. Yep, for sure. Okay. What's in the freezer here? I hope that's ice. And not like a death spider web. I don't even know what that... Okay, it is ice. Ice pop down there for later. Anybody? Yep. Mm-hmm. All right. So... oh, master. Let's go to the master. That's over here. It looks like that door got kicked in. Great. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's just some tape and a couple of staples and like a glue and a clamp, and it'll be door handle. Perfect. Oh, and, I mean, this must have been the master ashtray bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Or ashtray, because I mean that's clearly where you put out all of the cigarettes when you smoke in your bedroom. That's it right there. And so the cleanest spot right there must be where the bed was. I cannot even. And the smell in here, guys, it is so foul. It's so foul. Okay. So even like the ceilings, which is really strange, the striping that's there, like, so the staining is nicotine, and the stripes are, I'm assuming, where the beams are. And now I wish somebody could explain to me why when you smoke in a house for, I don't even know, 10, 15 years, nonstop, every single day, 15 packs a day, this is what happens. Why is that? I would love to know. I bet you they never changed the air filter either, ever. The house was built in 2005, original air filter. Oh, what is that I just stepped on? What is that? Oh God, I don't even know. Look at that, I get a washer and dryer. This place is ready to rent. Yeah, right. So, oh my God. That's good. Linoleum floor is ripping up. We do get a garage, which is really nice. Let me turn this light on, I think. Yeah, this is good. Nice, big, 2-car garage. Sorry for the lighting in here. It's not the best, but the garage is just going to need a coat of paint, and that's about it. Jeez. Alarm system. Are those bugs? Can somebody tell me? Are those... That looks like bugs. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you need a fly tape in your house, because cleaning is too difficult, and putting that all the way up there was way easier than, you know, like wiping the counter. That would be way too difficult to do. Grace, yeah, I'm gonna need a lot of that cleaning up this place. What do we got here? Don't give a sip. I bet you didn't, buddy. I bet you didn't. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Oh God, there was a child here. Jesus. All right, let me show you the backyard. Okay. Yeah, it's got a fenced-in backyard. This house is gonna need a lot of work. A lot of work. Looks like there was a fire pit here. Yep. So the house, there's no gutters, so the water just... AC unit looks fairly new, which is great. I'll get a free, what is this, a 4-iron? 6-iron. Nice, not bad. That bad boy is going in the trunk. So the whole house needs to be power washed, and it's gonna need quite a bit of work. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so let's talk about what this place is gonna look like and what we're gonna actually do. So let me introduce you to my wife first.
Hi.
Say hi, there you are. That's Morgan, everybody. Okay, so we are going to, I'll walk you through what we're gonna do. Starting from the entryway here. So as we walk in, right, this is the front door right behind me. So this entire area, the flooring all the way across, is going to be VLP, which is vinyl luxury plank, all the way through into here and into where the washer and dryer goes. The vinyl plank will continue all the way through. This nasty carpet's going to get ripped out. And it will continue all the way through the living room and then into the kitchen. It'll all be all the way into the pantry, underneath the stove. At the same time, we'll have the walls are all going to be repainted. We're going to do everything in agreeable gray. We're going to have all new light fixtures. For the kitchen, what's the plan for the kitchen?
New granite.
Yeah. And then what else? Are we going to do a backsplash or no backsplash, you think?
Yeah, I think backsplash.
We'll probably do a backsplash. And then, so for the appliances, right, we're probably going to keep these appliances. Well, we'll evaluate. We'll clean them first, get them like professionally deep cleaned, make sure that they are good before we decide. But the one thing I think I'm seeing now is stainless, stainless, stainless. Was this black? Okay. So we might need to get a new stove just so that everything matches and looks nice. I love the cabinets. I think we're going to clean them and keep them. And then we'll do like a nice, when we do the granite, we'll have a nice deep sink, single bowl, with a disposal, and that should do that. And with a nice faucet right there as well.
Nasty.
It is pretty gross. We're gonna go through the house room by room, walking you through what we're gonna do. So this is the master. Why don't you tell them what it is we're gonna do in this room first?
I think the walls were originally white in here. Now it looks like they're yellow. For the bedroom, we'll be doing new paint on the walls, new carpet on these disgusting brown floors, which I think were also a different color in the beginning. Then we'll have some work in the closet and the bathroom as well, which we'll retile and repaint.
I don't think we're gonna tile. In the floor, we're gonna do VLP flooring in the bathroom. So in here, this is the bathroom ashtray. In case anybody was wondering, this is where you put your cigarettes out. You guys do the same thing too when you smoke at your house, right? So in here, the color shade here is nicotine. We're going to change that. We're going to get all new lighting, and we're going to keep the mirror. I think the mirror is fine. The tub and everything is going to get cleaned up. I really don't like this layout, but because this is a slab floor, I'm not going to change it. And then we're actually going to add a ceiling fan as well in here. It's actually switched for a ceiling fan. It's got one for the light and one for the ceiling fan, so that'll be done as well. All of the doors and trim in this room is all going to be repainted super bright white.
Also, we'll be getting a new window.
Oh yeah, if you can't tell. It's slightly broken, but on the outside, not on the inside. All right, let's take him through this way. I don't even know what it's called anymore. I've said VLP 100 times and it's confusing me more.
I'm pretty sure it's LVP.
It is LVP. God, I'm glad you're smarter than me. Guys, always find yourself a wife that at first is super hot and then also smarter than you. Don't find one that's not smarter than you. That doesn't help you. Okay, so flooring, LVP all the way through, from here, straight across into the living room. Talk us through what's going to happen in here, babe.
So living room, same thing as the bedroom, new floor, the LVP, and then we're going to get the walls painted in here, try to get rid of that cigarette smell. New ceiling fan. What else, babe?
What I told our contractor was I wanted the tile here painted. Since this is all going to be agreeable gray, I wanted the tile to be painted a darker gray because we're going to also do a darker gray carpet. So I kind of want that to disappear slightly, but also be slightly an accent since there's no, mantle above the fireplace. The other thing that we're going to do in here, and my contractor told me he was only going to charge me like 120 bucks to do, is going to be actually this entire cabinet is for either a bank safe or this is where you hide your child and want to put them in timeout. They go right in there. No, actually, it's obviously for a really old 1990s TV. Which, we're not in the 90s anymore. But so we're going to cover this up with some wood and sheetrock and make it so that you can mount a flat screen TV up here. This is what a ceiling fan looks like from 2005 that has never been cleaned. Let me get you guys all the way up there so you can get just a great view of what those blades really look like. I mean, come on. Can you imagine this thing spinning at 300 RPM and just knocking all of that dust into your lungs? It's going to be delicious. What do you think of the fly tape up there? What's your thought on that?
I think we'll keep that.
You think we should keep that?
Yeah.
I'd love it.
It's a good accent.
Great decorating piece, I think.
I agree.
What do you think about this light fixture? Other than it being filthy.
No, that's got to go.
You think it's got to go? All right.
Yeah.
Am I crazy in saying that I actually like it? I think it would look amazing once it's all cleaned up.
No, I like the design. I really do. But it's time to get rid of the light fixture. Out with the old and with the new.
We're going to keep it.
We're not going to
don't tell her. Don't tell her. We're going to keep it. So, okay. Let's head into the other two bedrooms and the last bathroom.
Let's do it. Okay, spare bedroom number 1 first. I don't know if this was punched, but we definitely need a new door.
That's Chuck Norris. That's definitely been Chuck Norris.
There's some holes in the wall as well. Looks like it's an angry person living in here.
Yeah.
just like the first bedroom, we'll have to get some new carpet in here, and the other bedroom that we'll show you as well. Definitely new paint. But I think other than that, with the holes in the wall, the room's in pretty good shape.
All right, let's go check out the other room.
Unless you think we should keep the carpet.
Just
kidding.
Absolutely not.
Here's the second bedroom, smaller than the other one.
Oh,
and a smaller closet.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
This was the pet room, obviously.
I don't know what that is on the walls.
This? Oh, I know what that is. That's you know, those are the marks that you put when you're like wanting to do a seance. You do kind of that stuff, and then it drips down. And all right, go ahead, talk us through this room.
This room, new paint, new carpet.
New ceiling fan, right?
New ceiling fan.
Yep.
Either clean or new AC vent.
Yeah.
It also looks like there's a little bit of mold.
Yeah, we'll have to clean all of that up, babe.
So
Honestly,
watch out.
I think you just got a bullseye on this. Go ahead, throw it. Perfect. All right. I think I just stepped in the poop. All right, last room of the house is I guess this is the second bathroom, which is really gross. But, you know, not a lot to do in here other than we're going to get rid of the mirror, this like medicine cabinet with these little tiny candelabra lights. This whole thing's going to go away, and we'll get longer mirror and then a nice light fixture to go above. Nothing else to do with the toilet other than clean it. We're going to remove it, so when we install the flooring, we'll have to do a new wax seal too underneath it. We're going to clean all of this, and oh good, that works. The one in the master doesn't work. All right, let me take you in the garage. So for the garage, it's not in bad shape. Obviously, we're going to repaint all of these unfinished walls. We're going to, and the ceiling too, it's all just going to be primer. So it's all Kills white, which will be really nice. And I think that's all we're going to do in here, other than also power wash the floor. All of the entire garage and driveway is all going to get power washed. And I'll try to address the gap right there, because I could probably, I could probably sneak through there if I was on a diet. One of the things we need to look at too is this right here. There's a little bit of damage, and I will take you outside and show you the reason why we got such a good deal on this house. So here's the reason why we got such a good deal. What do you do? Why are you up there? Get down.
Okay.
You monkey. Oh man, so there's a tree growing out of the foundation of the house, and this thing which on the other side of the garage is the gas line. This is where the gas line comes into the house, and as you can see here, the gas main has been filled with expanding foam, and it's got a tree growing around it. You can tell somebody tried to cut some of this up but didn't really work. So we're gonna have this tree removed, and we're gonna have all of that entire area cleared up so that the gas line is freed up, and then we'll get the gas company to come in and reconnect it all for us. But the rest of the house is actually in pretty good shape. The other thing we are going to do is have gutters installed, because there are no gutters on this house, and the water just drips down super hard and damages the ground that's right underneath the house. Oh yeah. We're killing you boys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more of the transformation of our rental property, don't forget to subscribe. That was a bad idea. Time to go.